Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. Today we are making some delicious sweet chili chicken wings. So come along and let's get right into the video. So for this recipe we will need about 2 kilograms of chicken wings, which I have prepped, cleaned and cut into two. So first we are going to season our chicken, and I'm going to do that with some chili flakes, mustard powder, some ginger powder, onion powder, garlic powder, some Cajun seasoning, some paprika powder, and some salt to taste. I will leave the list in the description box down below. So for this recipe, you can switch up the spices and use any seasoning of your choice. Now to season our chicken, I'm going to add half of our seasoning onto it just for easy mixing and toss it around until it is well coated. Once the first batch is well incorporated, I'm going to go ahead and add some more of the seasoning and make sure that my chicken is well seasoned. This is necessary for the best results. Finally, add the remaining of your seasoning and add about 2 tablespoons of some cooking oil. The oil will help the seasoning stick better to your chicken, and it will also help to give it that fried look. Now toss well to coat each and every piece of chicken, and then marinate for 1 hour if you have the time. I don't have the time, so I'm going to continue with my cooking. I'm going to transfer my chicken wings onto a lined baking sheet because we are going to bake the chicken wings in the oven. Alternatively, you can boil the chicken for about 5 to 7 minutes on your stove and proceed by deep frying it instead of baking it. At this stage, my oven is preheating at 180 degrees Celsius, so I'm going to bake this for about 30 to 35 minutes or until done according to your preferred doneness. So our chicken is beautifully baked, and because of that little oil we added, it has that fried look I was talking about. So now let's finish off our chicken wings by glazing them. So in a wok, you want to add some sweet chili sauce, some ketchup, oyster sauce, and some soy sauce. And as always, I will leave the entire list with the measurements in the description box down below. Now stir all the sauces to combine and cook on a medium heat until your glaze becomes very syrupy. Once you get to that stage, your glaze should be looking something like this, and this would be the perfect time to add your chicken wings. So for easy mixing, I'm going to add my chicken in batches, but you don't have to do that. So once my first batch is well glazed, I'm going to go ahead and add my second batch. So once all your chicken is added, you want to keep on stirring until all your chicken is well glazed. And as soon as that happens, our sweet chili wings are ready. Just look at how gorgeous this chicken wing looks. It pairs so well with some fries, some salad or rice. I mean, it goes well with anything. I'm going to garnish this with some spring onion, but you can garnish this with some sesame seeds as well. And there you have it. Our sweet chili wings are ready to be served with whatever tickles your fancy. I really do hope that you give this simple and easy recipe a try. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Please subscribe and become part of the Amazing family today. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So cook this meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!